Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica Cappuccino S espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a bit of work. We had to replace the cover that you see right here. This one, as you can see, is broken, and we just replaced all the buttons and everything in that display. We replaced all that, and we also replaced this water pump from 2014. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine out. Then we're going to be using the hot water. We will not be able to use the cappuccino button as we do not have the carafe that goes over here. We also clean a bit the hopper as well as the spouts and some other parts that we saw that need cleaning. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the machine. Excellent flow, working great. And now we'll be testing the hot water. As you can see, steady stream coming out of the one, valves opening correctly, excellent flow throughout the system, working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Cappuccino S working once again. Thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.